supplement said to help boost the immune system in humans and also pets. And I'm here with Dr. Jill and the beautiful Diva to talk about medicinal mushrooms. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Hi, good morning. Yes, a lot of people don't realize that there are toxic components to mushrooms as well. So you want to make sure you're going to somebody who's actually educated in what type of mushrooms to provide for your pet. But you don't want to just pick them out of the yard. Those can be very toxic.
So run us through a couple of them. What's the differences among the different types of medicinal mushrooms?
There's different species. Different species have different benefits. The Reiki and Shiitake, cordyceps, those are used for medicinal purposes. A lot of products now are actually combining them into other products. For example, this Maitake DMG, which is dimethylglycine, is also an immune system booster. But you want to check with your veterinarian to make sure that you're getting the proper mushrooms as well. Some of these products are straight mushroom, and I use them a lot of times for cancer patients to help with the immune system. Mushrooms actually have lots of vitamins, nutrients, minerals, and some anti-cancer properties as well.
So would you use these primarily as an anti-cancer agent? Would you also use them just for boosting your immune system in general?
You can use them to boost immune system. Kidney patients, liver patients, diabetics, things of that nature. They're using them a lot now, and like again, combination products. But again, you don't want to go out into your backyard and just pick them because they can be very toxic and deadly.
So how do you know what's safe and what isn't?
Well, that's where you want to check with your veterinarian. Absolutely. Most integrated veterinarians, veterinarians who work with Chinese herbals, are pretty well educated in that. So you want to look them up, make sure they have the education. Don't just buy them off the shelf and think that they're going to be actually good quality as well. You want to make sure that the veterinarian is recommending them or prescribing them.
Is there any case where you can say, okay, these can actually replace prescription meds?
Yes, actually you can. You can use some of them, and again, in Chinese medicine and Japanese medicine, they use these a lot to help boost the immune system as well. But again, always check with your veterinarian. It's really important to make sure that you have somebody who's educated, who knows how to prescribe in the proper dosages as well.
Yeah, and I know sometimes too with some of these medicinal mushrooms, they can be anticoagulants, and you don't really want to mix them with, if someone's on heparin or warfarin or any of those blood thinners, that could cause some serious problems.
Absolutely.
Okay, anything else that people should know if they're going to go to the vet and want to talk about this specific type of treatment?
Yeah, you want to make sure to ask your veterinarian how well versed they are in that, and if they have a certain brand that they recommend as well, and dosages. I mean, the veterinarian should know that. Don't just play with that. Like you said, there's a lot of contraindications. They're on other medications. So check with your veterinarian, look up integrated veterinarians. Also, toxicity, there's actually websites on which mushrooms are toxic versus which ones that are not.
And I'm sure weight plays a role in that too. Thank you so much, Dr. Jill, for joining us today. Let's get over to Meg.
Thank you, guys. To schedule an appointment with Dr. Jill, just check out her website, drjill.com, or give her a call. The number's on your screen there for you, 916-989-0738.